We'd like to welcome you to the World of Bird Show. Now, if you've never seen one of our shows before, we're hoping to find it maybe just a little bit different from some other bird shows that you might have seen. See, in our show, you're not going to find any parrots riding bicycles or scooters or anything like that. No, our show is all about free flight natural behavior. What that means is we don't clip any of our birds' wings, so they're going to be free to fly all around in the theater, just like that demo there. And just like those pigeons you saw just a moment ago, those are just common pigeons is all. Now, if any of you happened to be here at the theater last year, you might have seen a stunt show here. Well, we don't really have any stunts in our show either, but the stunt show crew gives us some pretty fun toys that we like to play with now and again. So we'll try and keep you cool off on a nice hot day out there. Now, we're going to get this show started off with a bird that actually spends most of its life on the ground. It's called a red-legged Parrot, and they're found in South America. Now, Parrots have a very interesting way of dealing with their prey once they catch it, and that's what we're going to try and demonstrate to you today, using this little rubber alligator. See, in the wild, Parrots prey on rodents and reptiles. Well, we've affectionately named our little rubber alligator Mr. Bill. Watch what our Parrot AstroWorld does with Mr. Bill. Now, picture this. Mr. Bill is just basking in the sunshine on his favorite rock. He's minding his own business, not bothering anybody. And along comes Sluggo, the Parrot, knocks him on the rock, grabs him by the tail. Trouble ahead for Mr. Bill. What's in store for Mr. Bill? This is just what they do in the wild with any rodent or reptile they might catch. They run around the desert looking for a rock. Sometimes it takes them a long time to find that rock. It could be a big place, that desert. Once they find a rock, they pulverize their prey on the rock, just like that. See, it sort of helps to break up the bones. Makes it nice and easy for the Parrot to swallow them down in one big gulp. He looks like he's getting ready again. Oops, not quite the right spot. You gotta have just the right spot on that rock. You know, can't be flying any lizard just anywhere. He's gonna be feeling that one tomorrow. Mr. Bill takes quite a beating out here. I'm gonna see if I can't rescue him. Save him for the rest of our shows later. How about one more time in the rock there, Sluggo? It's a running start, takes aim, and headache for Mr. Bill. He's got your treat. I rescued Mr. Bill. You know your way out, Steve. That was Sluggo, our Parrot. Thanks. Well, we've actually got a bird of prey to show you next. One of the most common types of large hawks that you can find in this area. One of the most common types of large hawks found in the United States today. You see these guys sitting on the tops of tall trees and on telephone poles all across the country. Called a red-tailed hawk. Now, our red-tailed hawk's name is Sybil. She's going to be flying on down from the sound bridge back there to land out here on Bill's glove. Now, it usually takes her just a couple of minutes to kind of look around, make sure everybody's sitting where they're supposed to be before she decides to head on down here. She doesn't like to have anybody sneaking up on her or anything like that. But once she gets started, she comes full force. She doesn't slow down for anything. She's got brakes. I don't think she uses them. Now, if you're flying over top of me, you might want to just take a look and notice she does have that rusty red tail characteristic of red-tailed hawk. That's where they get the name red-tailed hawk. They don't get that color tail until they're about 1 year old. Here she comes right down to the Sybil, our red-tailed hawk. Nice job, Sybil. Now, a common old misconception about these guys, people used to call them chicken hawks, thinking that they act like chickens out in the wild. Not true. Normal diet of red-tailed hawks, as you all know, I'm sure. Things like dogs, cats, small kids, things like that. No, they're just easy paying attention, that's good. Now, red-tails actually eat rodents. They eat things like mice, rats, gophers. That's why you don't see any mice or rats running around our city. Ever since we came to town, we haven't seen hives or hair of them. I think they must have got wind of Sybil coming here. I know, it's pretty hard to believe, but it's true. We just haven't seen them. They must have heard about Sybil's great abilities, and they decided to head for safer territory. Well, she's doing a great job at helping keep away those rats. That was Sybil, our red-tailed hawk. Thanks, Bill. Thanks. Now, we bring this show to you from Minnesota. We travel all over the country doing shows very similar to this. And everywhere we go, we always stay right up here after the show and we answer questions that people have about birds. A lot of the questions that we get actually have to do with misconceptions about birds. There's a lot of those out there. One that we hear all the time, and I bet everybody's heard it, the one about the wise old what? Owl, you have heard it. You know what? Actually, not true. Owls are actually one of the least wise or least intelligent of all the birds that we have to work with. A lot of you look like you're having a hard time believing that. I had a hard time believing it at first myself, but it's true. But when owls lack in intelligence, they go to make up for with a lot of special hunting abilities. The owls have certain adaptations for survival that far surpass those of any other type of bird. We're going to try and demonstrate two of those adaptations for you today. We're going to try and demonstrate their silent flight and the amazing hearing of a barn owl. Now we got the sound of some crickets recorded here. You hear that? We're going to take this tape recorder, we're going to hide it either behind that stump or behind this clay pot over here, and we're going to see if by using his hearing. Now Radar's going to get a free ride up to the top with Diana there. And as he carries Radar past you, you might want to just take a look and notice the shape of Radar's face. He's got sort of a heart-shaped face. Now this shape helps to focus the sound straight back into his ears, which is what helps to give him that amazing hearing. Now I'm going to need the help of someone right up here in the front. Tell me whether you want me to hide the tape recorder either behind the stump or behind the pot. You right there in the blue. Behind the stump? Alrighty. We'll put the tape recorder down, put Radar's favorite treat on it, and we'll get the crickets making their noise. And keep your eye on Radar, because here he comes. Just like that. Nice job, Radar. Now Radar makes that look pretty easy. Actually, it is very easy for Radar. I've read that a barn owl can hear a mouse squeak or a grasshopper fly somewhere around a quarter of a mile away. Better hearing than any other creature on the planet. Now an owl Radar size can catch and eat somewhere around 1,000 mice in a year, which is pretty important if you consider the fact that if you took 2 mice, male and female, put them in a field with all the food that they wanted to eat, and there were no predators around like these owls, they say that after a year's time, you can have as many as 1 million mice in that field, just from those original 2. So it just goes to show you what a great job hawks and owls are out there doing keeping down that rodent population in a natural way. Well, Radar's done a great job, and he's just about ready to go. That was Radar, our barn owl. Thanks, Diana. And just like Radar, I'm going to be heading off around the corner, and Eric's going to come out and tell you about the rest of our birds. Thanks.
Thanks, Betsy. Well, we got one of the most beautiful birds in the world coming out next. It's called an East African crown crane. Now, our crown crane's name is Niles, and Niles is going to be making his way right around the corner over here. There he is. Now, you can see where they get the name. They get the name from the golden feathers on their head. It looks a lot like a little crown, I guess. Now, we have 2 types of cranes in the U.S. We have sandhill cranes and whooping cranes. Whooping cranes are one of the rarest birds in the world. There's only about 180 of them left. But here in Texas, you're very fortunate because you can see those beautiful birds down south at the Aransas Wildlife Refuge. Now, Niles, he was hatched in a breeding program about 10 months ago at the Fort Worth Zoo. In fact, we do not take any birds out of the wild for this show. Niles, you've done a great job, little guy. I'm all out of treats. I think you know there's more. See you later. That was Niles, our African crown crane. Well, we've got another eagle. We've got actually an eagle from Africa to show you next. Now, this is one of the most colorful of all the eagles. It's called a bateleur eagle. Now, bateleur is a French word, and it means tumbler or acrobat, something like that. These guys are famous for doing tumbles and dives out in the wild. Now, they have very unusual features that allow them to be very acrobatic. They have long, slender wings. They also have a very unusual tail. I think we're going to actually wait on our bateleur for just a minute, though. We've got another bird that we're going to get to before him. This guy is really ready to go, so I think we're going to try to do this one first. Now, we've got a bird called a Parrot. Now, our Parrot's name is Dante, and he is really ready to go. He's just about ready. He's going to be flying on down. Not from back there. He's going to be flying down from the Astro Needle. You see that white tower behind the stage? That's the needle. Well, there's a gold car making its way to the top. Look on the bottom of the gold car. That's where our Parrots are patiently waiting. Now, Dante, he's going to be coming out of the left-hand side. I think he's about ready to go. Keep your eye over there, because here he comes right about now. Here he comes. You see the way he's got his wings straight out to the side? He'll start pulling them in when he starts slowing down up here. There he is, making his way. Now, I'm sure you've all seen birds of prey out in the wild flying around. Maybe you've seen them doing lazy circles, circling fields out in the wild. Now, a lot of times they're looking for their prey when they have that position. Now, whenever they spot their prey, they fold up their wings and go into a straight down dive. Now, they get very high speeds during these dives while they're trying to overtake their prey. Well, we're going to demonstrate a high-speed dive using a Parrot named Amber. Now, Amber's going to be coming from the very top, 270 feet in the air. And now you watch how fast she gets going on the way down. Well, looks like she's about ready to go. Keep your eye on the right-hand side, because here comes Amber right about now. She'll hop on out. Here she comes. Start to fold in those wings. She's reaching top speed. You better start slowing down. Put on the brakes. Amber, our Parrot. Hey. Now, did you notice the way she started to fold in her wings whenever she was picking up speed? Well, we're going to demonstrate what that looks like right up close using this wind machine. Now, this wind machine will create about a 35-mile-an-hour wind. We're going to have her come down and hover in the wind so you can get a close look at her. Now, speaking of close looks, you guys are going to get one right about now. There you go. Now, you see the way she's got her wings tucked up? She takes her legs up underneath of her. We'll see if we can get her back up in there again. Now, notice the shape of her wings. She folds them in to try to decrease the resistance on her wings. There she goes. That's just what she looks like diving down from the needle. Now, that's also what she looks like coming out of the top of a tree, trying to get to a mouse or maybe a rabbit before it makes it down into its hole. By the way, it's against the law to keep any types of birds of prey as pets. You see, you have to have a special license or permit. But not only that, it takes a lot of time and attention every day. Believe me, these guys don't make very good pets. Amber, you've done a great job, little gal. You about ready to go? Yep, right up to the top, all the way. Might give her a wave up there. See you later. That was Amber, our hairstyle. Well, now we'll get back to that eagle that I was going to show you. We have no control over the needle, so we just have to get to it whenever we can. Now, like I said, he's called a Battlure eagle. He has some very unusual features. See if you notice anything unusual about the shape of his tail. Now, his name is Antoine. You'll get a nice close look at his tail. Here he comes right down the middle. What do you think, Antoine? You ready to give this a try? Yeah, one step forward. Open your wings. What do you think? Here he comes right down the middle. Put on the brakes, attaboy. Now, did you notice anything unusual? Very short. In fact, his tail is only about 4 inches long. It's shorter than any bird in our show, including the pigeons. Now, that's very unusual, but it's also very beneficial. You see, Battlures, they eat a lot of snakes in the wild. And that short tail, well, it keeps them from breaking feathers if they're wrestling on the ground with a big old snake. Now, if you didn't see his tail on the way down, you might look at it when he flies off around the corner. There it is. Get a nice close look at it. Looks like he's ready to go. That was Antoine, our Battlure eagle. Well, we got the biggest bird in the show coming out next. Now, this is also one of the heaviest flying birds in the world. It's called an Andean condor. Now, don't confuse it with the smaller California condor. This condor has a wingspread somewhere around 9 or 10 feet. Now, her name is Sadie. You'll get a close look at her wingspread. Here she comes around the corner. Whoa, there she is. Now, like I said, Sadie is one of the heaviest flying birds in the world, but it might surprise you to find out what this big bird weighs. Just keep in mind, birds look a lot bigger than they really are. In fact, this big bird only weighs about 18 pounds. Now, you see the way she's flapping her wings up and down? That's a very natural behavior for young condors. You see, they do that sometimes in the wild whenever they see their parents as a sign of recognition. Well, like I said, Sadie here, she was hatched in a breeding program about 3 years ago, raised by us, so she sort of thinks of us as mom and dad, I guess. Yeah, she got her mother's looks, though. Now, vultures are nature's recyclers. In nature, nothing is ever wasted. When an animal dies, a vulture comes along and recycles it. You know, I think if we did more recycling around the house, this world would be a much better and cleaner place. Well, it looks like she's ready to go. That was Sadie, our Andean condor. Thank you very much. Well, we've got a few more pretty exciting birds to show you. As a matter of fact, the star of the show is coming up next. But before we get to that, little guy, I just want to take some time and introduce everybody running around making our show happen today. Now, the bird trainers in the back are Diana, Betsy, and Bill. We have some fabulous technicians here, lots of wonderful efforts. Kelly's running the sound. How about a big hand for all these folks? And I guess there's one more introduction I should probably make. This guy is called an Abyssinian ground hornbill, and they're found in Africa. His name is Kramer. How about a bow, Kramer? There he goes. Yeah, that's all he does. 3 years of training. That's pretty much it right there. Nice job, Kramer. By the way, at the end of our show, we're going to stay up here with a few of our birds, including a very beautiful eagle. You want to be sure to stick around. Come on down, take a nice close look, ask any questions you might have. We'll answer them the best that we can. By the way, you guys look kind of hot out there. It's getting kind of warm. There you go. Yeah, we're always glad to help. You can thank me later. Now, whenever you leave our show, there's a lot of other great shows going on in the park today. They've got Miss Lily's Red Garter Review around the corner, and the Country Chicken Show is on the other side of the park in the Showcase Theater. But the star of our show is a little yellow-naped Amazon parrot. You know, it seems like there's a lot of people out there that are getting parrots as pets. I think a lot of it is because of their abilities to talk or mimic sound. You know, it seems like a lot of people think that all parrots know how to talk. Like all they have to do is go down to the pet shop, buy a parrot, they're going to bring it home and have it talking away like the ones you might see in the show. Well, it's not quite that easy, believe me, I wish it was. You see, most parrots have the ability, not all have the desire. In fact, could be a lot of parrots never talk in their lives. Well, this is Groucho. He's a yellow-nape Amazon, and he has quite the vocabulary. What do you think, Groucho? You want to give him a nice hello? Hello. That boy, nice job. Now, like I said, a lot of parrots never learn to talk. And the ones that do, well, they typically pick up things they hear around the house. Now, they might pick up the sound of the dog barking or telephone ringing, the sound of someone saying hello. Well, they're also capable of picking up more complex sounds. Now, Groucho has been with us now for about 3 years, but before he came to us, he lived in a lady's home for about 8 years. Well, she used to sing to him every day. In fact, Groucho learned to sing 7 songs altogether. We'll see if we can get him to sing one more song for you before he goes, but I'll tell you what, Groucho, they've been a great audience. You want to give him a kiss? Good stuff, that kiss. Thanks, Groucho. Now, don't rush out to the pet shop to buy a little parrot thinking you're going to bring it home and have it singing like Groucho. Believe me, they're not all like Groucho. In fact, I have never seen a parrot with this kind of talent. What do you think, little guy? You want to give him one more song before you go? Yeah, you have to turn around. There you go. Face the audience. Now, that little guy is pretty amazing, isn't he? Believe me, he still amazes me every time I hear him sing. And by the way, it really is him singing. It's not a recording. I'm not a ventriloquist. Believe me, he sings a lot better than I do. Now, keep in mind, like I said, Groucho lived the lady for 8 years. That was her precious little baby. Now, why in the world do you think somebody would give up such a cute little parrot that sang so well? Well, she probably gave him up because of a lot of problems with parrots in the house. Things like fighting and screaming and singing 24 hours a day, especially problems with big guys like this green-winged macaw. Now, this is Crash, and you would not imagine how loud Crash can scream and how hard this big guy can bite. Now, macaws have very large beaks that come in very handy out in the wild for cracking open nuts and breaking twigs. Well, their beaks are also very handy around the house for breaking watches and customizing all your favorite furniture. So before you go out and get a cute little parrot, educate yourself as much as possible. Know what you're getting into because they are not the best pets for everybody. Now, parrots like Crash and Groucho, they're found in tropical rainforests. Now, tropical rainforests are also where the highest rate of extinction is taking place. But right now, animals are going extinct all over the world. In fact, right here in the United States, we almost lost one of our most magnificent creatures. In fact, we almost lost our nation's symbol, the American bald eagle. You see, at one time, the bald eagle was in danger of becoming extinct. But then people started taking care of the environment. They outlawed the chemical DDT, which caused their decline. People even started breeding bald eagles in captivity. Well, thanks to efforts from people all around the world, I am very happy to announce, in case you haven't heard, 2 years ago, the bald eagle was officially taken off the endangered species list. And we're certainly glad to have them back, that's for sure. Now, this bald eagle's name is Hope. She's about 6 years old now. She was found 3 years ago with an injured left wing. Well, veterinarians tried for 10 months to repair the damage to her wing, but unfortunately, she'll never fly again. Now, we hope to find a breeding program for her, but for now, she's got a great home here, giving you folks a nice close look at one of nature's most magnificent creatures. Well, bald eagles, have been saved from extinction, but animals all over the world are facing very difficult problems. But the good news is, we can all do things about these problems. Well, we can't all go out and breed rare and endangered bald eagles in the house, but we can all do our part by conserving, recycling, and supporting conservation programs. After all, it has been said that we have not inherited this earth from our parents, we've merely borrowed it from our children. And if we start to take care of the environment now, hopefully these magnificent creatures will be around for future generations to enjoy the way we have. Well, thanks for being with us. We hope you enjoyed our show. Enjoy the rest of your day here at Six Flags.